You might encounter a problem like this when you're given a shape and told something like some person has an odd type of shape here. And what they mean by odd is it's not a typical parallelogram or quadrilateral, but it has four sides, and all four-sided polygons, shapes that are closed like this, have 360 degrees, right? So four-sided polygons, let me rewrite that, four-sided polygons all have, right, regardless of how they're set up, 360 degrees. And if you go down to a three-sided polygon, that's a triangle, right, triangle, that would have, right, triangle, 180 degrees. And if I go in the other direction, back to a five-sided polygon, that would give me another 180 or 540 degrees. And in fact, notice here I'm going up by 180 each time. What's always going to happen? As I add more and more sides, every time I add another side, I add another 180 degrees to the shape. So what does that mean? Well, if you're solving for x here, all that means is you know that 68, right, if I add these angles up, plus 92, plus 85, plus something should give me 360. So now I can use this to solve for x. If I combine these, I've combined 60 and 90, that's 150, plus 80 is 230, plus 10 is 240, plus 5 is 245. So 245 plus something is 360, and then to solve, I subtract 245 from 360, right? Oops, it looks like 248, 245. So all I have to do now is subtract, and I'll set it up right here. 360 minus 245, oops, sorry about that. So borrow 110, and that gives me 10 minus 5, or 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. All right, and that's my answer, 115. All right, hope this helped.